Hello everyone and welcome back. Sorry about that. Last time we sort of planned out the design for the tree. Just general design. This time I want to plan out a more complete version of the design, so basically giving the bottom of it an outline, and then possibly also start building it. But first I'm going to breed the cows. And I don't see any other bees. Are there 4 bees out or only 3? Only 3. And a child. Alright, I don't actually have any dirt to plan this out. I don't know if that's actually going to look right now. So here we need because we don't want the part of the log that has the end of it with the inside. We don't want that to be visible. So that's why we use the wood. Okay, not what I meant to do. Let me just organize my inventory a little. I'm trying to figure out what works best for the inventory. I do want it to actually start sort of going up into the tree as well. Let's see, does that work? See, but I want these 4 to stay cleared for the door. But that also sort of doesn't work. So I guess I'll do it more like this maybe. Oh, but that's way too uniform here. Better. Much better. raise this up. One. And then here. So then that kind of messes with this root here. Does that go the right way? Yes. Okay. I think this and there. Just put the dirt out from the middle here. Oh, wait, hold on. You could say need to be like that. See, I think if that's gonna be the size of the root, this tree is gonna need to be a lot bigger. And I haven't planned this out very well. So I think I've made an error in calculations here, I guess. See, because I was sort of picturing them to be a lot smaller. More like this, sort of. Like this would be the size of the end of the root. And then nope. And then it would just be about like this size, pretty much. But that feels more like a log pile rather than a tree root, because tree roots really aren't just like uniform like that. So then no. And then up here, like this, and then yeah, okay, it seems like pretty much no matter what I'm gonna do here, it's gonna be, the roots aren't gonna work out right. So I think this is gonna be like a good design for it. And I think that this can work, but I think that I've just planned the roots wrong. So I think instead of having a root there, maybe I could have one more like here. Because I really didn't think about how wide the roots would be. when making this. Okay, well, we can come back to that next episode. How about that? Or come back to this, I guess, would be the proper context. I don't know, I'm really trying to figure out how to build this tree here.